Fasting is not only practiced, it must also be understood. Today's reminder is about learning the knowledge and rulings of fasting so that our worship is sound and accepted. Learning the knowledge and rulings of fasting. Reading the rulings and essential information related to fasting from a reliable and trustworthy book, preferably a book of Islamic jurisprudence or a serious Islamic catechism, together with those around us, and keeping our knowledge of fasting fresh in our minds, can be considered an important opportunity both to take a significant step on the path of knowledge and to properly revive the month of Ramadan. There is a great need for people to know the rulings related to fasting, which is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, from the first day of Ramadan until its final day, resolving to read even a small portion each day and completing these sections by the end of the month. Thus, gaining sufficient knowledge about this important pillar of Islam is highly valuable for making the most of this blessed month. Such discussions and readings may take place after the dawn prayer or after the noon or afternoon prayers. Since these gatherings carry the traces of beneficial knowledge, they should be regarded as an important and meaningful practice. Ramadan teaches us that worship without knowledge is incomplete. Learn before you practice, strengthen your fasting with understanding, revive Ramadan through beneficial knowledge. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. Do you regularly study the rulings of fasting? Subscribe to Light of Iman and join us for day 16 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah grant us beneficial knowledge and accepted worship. Āmīn.